have lower back pain from standing, sitting too long, from laying prostrate on the ground, or you have an inability to do daily activities, if you have any of these or all of these, if you have lower back pain, if it just will not go away, I'm gonna give you 2 green juices that you can try. Hopefully that will help make it better. So if you're interested in that, then please stay tuned. Let's do a haul, shall we? Celery, parsley, cucumbers, kale, limes, ginger, green apples, turmeric, and lemons. We're gonna make 2 green juices. So let's get started dividing these ingredients. This week, we're focusing on the musculoskeletal system, specifically juices that support lower back pain by reducing inflammation, supporting hydration, and nourishing the tissues that keep us moving. Green juice number 1 helps support spinal discs and joint cushioning. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce muscle tension. It also has properties that support circulation and detox pathways. This juice is great for hydration and inflammation support. Our second green juice supports strong bones and muscle function. It has mineral absorbing properties that help with blood flow, which can increase nutrients to tight or sore muscles in the lower back. Lower back pain is not always about injury. Often it's about inflammation, dehydration, and nutrient depletion. Supporting your body from the inside out can really make a difference. And I already sprinkled the cayenne pepper. We have 2 green juices, ready. We're gonna do the non-cayenne pepper first, and then we're gonna go in with the cayenne just to avoid compromising our taste buds. So the first juice is our celery, parsley, cucumber, green apple, turmeric, lemon, and ginger juice. Gonna put our leafies in first. Then our celery. Gonna kind of mix in the celery with the cucumber. Green juice number 1. No cayenne needed because the ginger showed up. Okay, I wasn't ready. But it's very good. It's not as sweet, which is really good. Whenever you're trying to heal your body, highly recommend green juices. It's not as sweet. It's really good. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I would probably give this drink a... Honestly, I would probably give it a 9 out of 10. I think that for the portion size, I think the ginger is a little bit strong. I like a ginger, so that's why I give it a 9 out of 10. Somebody else might give it like a 7 or 8. But I wasn't ready for it. And honestly, that initial taste, maybe because I just got finished drinking like a little sweet coffee, like a sweet iced coffee. It tastes a little like sour / bitter to me, and I'm not sure if it's because I just drank the sweet coffee or if it's because the proportions that I used. So I used like 4, the recipe's down in the description box, but I used 1 cucumber, I used 6 stalks of celery, I did 1 green apple, a half of a lemon. I think that's what I'm tasting. I'm tasting that sour lemony taste, okay? Like the sour lemony taste, the sour green apple taste, and then parsley, of course, has like, it's a leafy green, so it's a little bit bitter, not much, but I taste that as well. So maybe I did too much parsley. Maybe I should have did a quarter lemon instead of a half. I did do the whole green apple because even though green apples are on the more sour side, it still had that sweetness, and without it, I know this drink would probably be unbearable for me. I honestly think that what I'm tasting is the lemon and parsley mixed. So yeah, I would definitely give this drink like an 8 or 9 out of 10. I like a strong ginger, so that's not the problem at all. The issue is just like that sour bitter taste a little bit, right? But like I said, it's very bearable. It's an 8 out of 10, right? Still very, very good. It's just a matter of expectation, okay? If you're used to, I just drank that sweet coffee, and if you're used to like sweeter drinks, sweeter green juices, or if you have a palate that isn't necessarily used to green juice, this probably will not be a good fit for you. But this is the thing. What got you into this mess is not what's going to get you out of this mess. The reason that your back is hurting now is because you haven't been making choices like this, okay? So even if it's an 8 out of 10 instead of a 10 out of 10, give yourself the courtesy of trying it out anyway, okay? You hear my feedback, maybe instead of using, okay, that kind of thing. So yeah, definitely an acquired taste, but still very good, and highly recommend. Y'all, you can do this, okay? You can do this. This is great. This is so good. It's definitely not going to go to waste. I'm gonna promise you that. We're gonna drink up, baby. So good, so good. It's an acquired taste, but it is so good. All right, let's do our next green juice. This is our kale, cucumber, green apple, lime, and cayenne, okay? I'm actually going to use tongs because I don't want that cayenne on my hands. Normally I don't put a whole apple in there, but we are today. The exact recipe will be listed in the description box below, but I used a handful of kale. I used 1 whole cucumber. I used 1 whole lime, 1 whole green apple, a couple sprinkles of cayenne pepper, and I do believe that that's it for this juice. I always put my leafy greens in first and then my more dense items on top, so that's a free nugget for you if you're new to juicing. Clean my palate off with some water. Okay, juice number 2. Wow. It's not even that bad. It's not even, it's really not. Like, honestly, this juice is sweeter than that juice. I think the parsley and lemon in that juice were okay combination, but this right here, it's like the lime and the green apple are just doing their thing, okay? Like, they're just like coming to life. And honestly, that cayenne is like it's like a kick, like it's like an aftertaste. Like, it's not that strong at all. And I think I probably was light-handed with it because I was afraid. But I think I did a good portion for the cayenne. Like, you still get the benefits. Woo! This is good. This is good. I like this one better than the other one. I would definitely give this, if the other one is an 8 out of 10, this is definitely a 9 out of 10. I'm actually gonna say a 10 out of 10 for this one. This is really good. This is really good. Like, I definitely have to give this a 10 out of 10. Like, there's nothing that I could think of adding to it that would make it better. I don't taste, it's not bitter. It doesn't leave a weird aftertaste in my mouth. The cayenne isn't overpowering. I don't feel like it needs to be sweeter. I don't feel like it's, I feel like it's great. It's perfect, 10 out of 10. This is a great juice, right? So, all right, y'all. Those are our 2 green juices for today. Give them a try. I always say this, give these drinks 30 days, drink them regularly. And I mean like once a day, no less than every other day, okay? Which is like 4 to 5 times a week for a month, right? Give your body a chance to really recoup. Yesterday's input is today's output. So whatever you drink today is tomorrow's energy, okay? So give yourself 30 days minimum, and that's drinking this every single day, every other day for a month. This is so good. This is really good. The kids would be like, spicy, spicy. Anyway, you'll be able to find these juices and more like this on my YouTube channel in my playlist called Green Juices. I have all kinds of playlists on there. This juice falls in the musculo part of the body, right? So the muscles, the musculoskeletal, right? So it's the muscles. We've got spasms, low back pain, joints, issues like that. This juice is gonna be great for you. You're gonna be able to get your leafy greens in. You're gonna be able to get your hydration in with that celery, with that cucumber. You're gonna be able to fight inflammation with that cayenne. All of the things that are gonna work for your body and all of the things that you want to be able to reduce and ultimately eliminate that back pain, okay? It is possible to not walk around with back pain. We've just normalized living in pain, okay? So keep that in mind as you are on your journey. Definitely give yourself a goal, 30 days, give yourself a goal, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, a month of consistently drinking green juice or buying green juice. And maybe treat yourself, if you want to treat yourself with a treat at the end of the week, then give yourself a sweeter green juice, or excuse me, a sweeter juice at the end of your week. Maybe like a fruit juice or something like that. Still in the cold pressed family, but just, you know, give yourself something to focus on. Anyway, y'all, I'm excited to help you witness true wellness through juicing, through faith, and through food. I am so grateful to have you here on this journey with me. I'm so grateful to be on this journey with you. So thank you so much for joining me today, and you will see me in my next video. Bye.